Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for visiting the channel once again. You guys are all so very welcome here. The channel it's growing, it's getting bigger and bigger every single day. It's awesome. So like, you're not looking at all the numbers, and the numbers aren't anything extravagant, right? But it is constant growth. So there's a trajectory, and we'll get there eventually. And currently that stands at 10,000 subscribers. So the quickest way that you can help support this channel in just another way is by smashing that like button. That like button really helps me to get through the YouTube algorithms and just spreading the word. And on top of all of that, we're also hitting that target, that 10,000 subscriber target. So growth is what's in mind for the year that comes. And I just want to continue to spread the message of safety in the tree. So till next time, guys, thank you. Peace.
All right, guys, so here we're going to be climbing DRT on one of the most versatile pieces of equipment that you can buy. The Notch Rope Runner Pro. Pretty sure you guys will get a good kick out of it. Really, it's so much fun to climb on, and well, the versatility is a plus, major plus on it. So there I'm climbing on that ART Cocoon Pulley. Pulley. Yep. You guys heard it here first, the Pulley. All right. Okay, I'll grab my rigging line. Put a bite, bowl in, or going with a slip there. Yep. Alright, so let's get this thing out of the way. All right, so even when I'm climbing out on branches, I'm still double lanyarding because it just gives you that extra layer of safety. So gives me, yeah, I mean, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna come off my primary real quick, clip back on, coming off the primary, clipping back on. All right, and that rigging pawl there just keeps everything nice and separated. With this kind of a device, you need that separation between working and non-working ends of the line. All right, and I know I'm working this tree from top down, but I think I can get away with it right now. So let's see if it works. Really hope it does. Okay. Good. That turned out very well. Very well. Okay. So ropes are sort of crossed here. A little weird there because I came under. They're like this. All right. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. What? Hold it. Hold it there. You're pulling it away from me. Oh, shit. Okay, good. Work with that. I actually saw somebody else rocking the same setup, same figure eight to hold their rigging line with. I think I saw it on Instagram or something. It's pretty cool. I might have inspired somebody. Okay. Stand clear.